Hello, welcome to the science class. In the last class, we have been discussing about magnets, right? We have been discussing magnet. I told you a magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Okay, so always north pole and south pole attract. Okay, north pole and north pole, they do not attract. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about uses of magnet. Okay, uses of magnet. Okay, we have two types of magnet. First one is natural magnet. Natural magnet means magnet which is found in nature. Okay, like you can see cobalt, nickel, they have some magnetic property which is in the occurring in nature. Okay, so artificial or man-made, that is made by humans, it's called artificial magnet. Okay, we have many shapes. Okay, in the last class I showed you about a bar magnet. We have cylinder magnet. We have horseshoe magnet. Okay, these are the types of magnet that is made by humans. Okay. So we can look where the magnet is used. Okay, when you look at the doors of fridge, okay, doors of a refrigerator, you have a refrigerator. Okay, we call it as refrigerator for cooling things. Okay, we have in our house for cooling the things. Okay, when you open the door of a refrigerator, you can see the side, it is covered by a rubber. Okay, inside the rubber we have magnets for closing the door tightly. Okay, so the first thing is the magnets are used in refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator. Okay, we can see the magnet on the doors of the refrigerator. Okay, and we have a rubber coating on the side, so the doors will close tightly. Okay, and the second is it is found in mobile phones. Okay, you have all mobile phones. Okay, the magnets are found in mobiles. Okay, to make them work well. And we have a door stoppers. Okay, door stoppers like this, door stoppers. Okay, magnets are put in door stoppers so that it will attract the magnetic material in the door. Okay, so the door will always open up if there is a wind. Okay, so that is in door stoppers. You can find magnets in door stoppers. And when you look screwdrivers, fourth one is screwdrivers. Okay, you can see at the end or at the tip of the screwdrivers where they have a magnet for the easier to work with the screws. Okay, screw and they can tight it. Okay, so the tip of the screwdrivers are made with magnets so that they can stick a small screw and make it easier to tighten them. Okay, so the magnets are used in doors in refrigerators. Magnets are used in mobile phones. Magnets are used in door stoppers, and magnets are used in screwdrivers. Okay, screwdrivers. And another thing is magnets are used in TV. Okay, television. Magnets are used in televisions, and magnets are used in the speakers. Okay, the speakers. And magnets are used in, do you see these machines? It's called MRI machine. Okay, MRI machines in hospitals for looking our bones, our tissues. Okay, so magnets are used in MRI machines, and magnets are used in our ATM card. Okay, ATM cards, we have a magnetic chip inside the ATM cards. Okay. So today we learned about uses of magnets. Magnets are used in refrigerators. Okay, in the doors of the refrigerators, and mobiles, door stoppers, screwdrivers, and television, speakers, MRI machine. We have ATM cards. Okay, so that is the uses of magnets in daily life. There are so many other uses of magnets. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.